So Deno has great command line interface support. So we have a couple of commands we should know, and they are very useful throughout the development process. The first command is Deno help --help, which outputs more detailed help text where available. For example, you're running Deno run and you don't know what does that mean. You can just say Deno run and --help. It will say its meaning, and Deno --help shows all the available commands in the Deno. Okay, we have used one of these commands, Deno run, in the previous video, which runs script from multiple resources or sources. You can just say Deno run and the source. It can be URL or the file from our local file. So the third one is Deno bundle, which is very useful. This is for outputting a single JavaScript file. You have a couple of dependencies and you want all these bundled in one file. That's when you can use Deno bundle. After that, you should specify the file name or the URL as well. Deno info inspects ES modules and all of the dependencies of the specified file. You can again say Deno info and the file name. Deno doc means documentation. Doc means documentation here. So whenever you write Deno doc and the file name, it just prints the JS doc documentation for each of the module. We'll see that. One of the most used thing is Deno FMT, which is formatter. Deno has built-in formatter which auto formats. So it just auto formats TypeScript and JavaScript code. So whenever you write a code and you want to make it very clear, so you should run Deno FMT, which is formatting. So Deno test, another feature of Deno. Deno has a built-in testing tool, which is Deno test. It's a runner that you can use for testing JavaScript or TypeScript code. So we have the last one, Deno lint, which is a code linter for JavaScript and TypeScript. It's also built in Deno. So enough of theory, so we should go on and let's see all this in action. So first of all, let's start with Deno --help. Okay, it will show all the things here. As you can see, there's a usage and different subcommands that we have, environment variables that are set, and etc. So we have used Deno run. Let's use it one more. I'll clear this. So Deno run, we have a file first program.ts. As you can see, it's for running. So that's very clear for us. The next is Deno bundle. We'll not see the main feature here because we don't have any dependency yet, but we will see in the future videos. It's bundling everything in one file. As you can see down below, you can see it's bundled. Okay, we can clear this. The next is Deno info. As we don't have any dependency, it will not work either, but let's see. Okay, we have a local file which is type of this and compile to this, but we don't have any dependency. Okay, as you can see, we have a file and we have the compiled version of that. Okay, you can see here. The next is Deno doc. Again, I'm gonna use that. There is no any documentation here because we don't have any module here specified, but I'm just showing you the usage of it. So the next one is Deno formatter. For example, here let me just define number, which is number equals to 1, and I will just define the next one here, and 2, and I'll have a var sum here, which is number as well, which is n1, n2, or n2, and I will console log that sum. Okay, as you can see, our code is formatted, but let's do like this. I will do like this, and I will do like this. Okay, and I'll hit Ctrl S. I have a build extension for formatting the code. Okay, you can download here, Prettier. If you don't have that, Deno has a built-in formatter. Okay, without that you can format as well. Let's I'm not saving, but I hope it should work. Alright, let's make it like this. So clear this, Deno formatter first program.js. We are in the wrong place, or not. Not JS, it should be TS, my bad. We are not saving the program, that's why it's not showing the formatting. But if you don't have a prettier set in your editor, you can see how it works. Okay, as you can see, it says failed to save this because we have run this and the contents of this is very new. As you can see, it's formatted. For example, do like this, come here and run this. Okay, close this and come here. As you can see, it's formatted very nicely. Okay, we have Deno lint and Deno test that we are not using this here. I will touch them in the next videos and talk about them in detail. So that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed the commands and Deno features here.